Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see actually how to upload the data into Palantir Foundry Pipeline Builder inside the Pipeline Builder application basically. So if we are trying to upload the XLS sheet XLS data into the Pipeline Builder, so it is not giving the proper schema actually. That is the problem we are facing actually. So there is a lot of people are coming and asking me that why this is the problem. What is the actually solution for this problem? Okay, so let me upload first and show you what is the exact problem they are facing. So this is even though this is the, just let me show you the data actually. So this is Excel format data actually. This is nothing much actually. This is very simple and straightforward. So basically if you are trying to upload this, then it is not properly getting the schema inside the Pipeline Builder. So there is a lot of people facing the same problem, so they are reaching out to me, so I thought to make a video on this one. So please do like if it is helpful for you. Okay, so once I try to upload, then it is saying upload a new data media set. It is taking as a media set, even though that is Excel sheet is just let me show you the challenge actually. I have uploaded over here and see it is not giving a schema. So basically after in Palantir Foundry, whenever you are inserting any data set into Pipeline Builder, so which is basically it will give automatically the data types and schema, all the details in overview here, preview. Okay, so actually we are facing problem. So see this, there is A B C D column, it is mentioned, and this is the ID title, and this is the basically you can say header, and it is not mentioned as a data types. It should be mentioned data type, right? So this is the challenge actually a lot of people are facing. So what is the solution for this one is to first upload the data from your local folder, local machine, to inside the Palantir Foundry. So let me add the data in my Pipeline Builder folder. So basically this is my Pipeline Builder folder. So see, now if you are trying to upload from here in Palantir Foundry first, so this is structured where it is giving, right? So let me upload it. So it is getting uploaded. This is the my dataset name example cells. So this is the dataset just now in 14 October. See, this is got uploaded, right? So let me go over Palantir Pipeline Builder application and add, and let's see how it's resolved the problem. So we are add data from Foundry. So from Foundry, this is data exactly we have just uploaded. So we are adding data into the pipeline. So see, this is the data actually we have uploaded just now. So now it has given the proper schema and integer. If you'll see here, integer, string, integer. So like this it is giving as a schema and as a column name, and for that column, particular column, what is the data type, right? Even though for this, in this case it was challenging actually, it was not able to give proper, right? So this is the solution actually. You can upload first from your local system to Palantir, from Palantir Foundry to you can add it to your pipeline, so it will resolve the issue. I hope you got the solution for this one. So if you have any doubt, please comment me. I'll make a video on that one. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.